they're all interconnected puzzle pieces. We're all doing jigsaw puzzles right now, right? They're all interconnected puzzle pieces. And so start with any of them and then just keep on building on it. Like the referral program, it really needs a way. You can have it in your office, but if nobody knows about it, it does no good. So the newsletter allows you to talk about the referral program. Likewise, the newsletter allows you to talk about the community events and the nonprofit work that you're doing, and it gives stories. Doing those things are the stories that help to build the newsletter.